Now I will discuss about the atomic mass. Very interesting topic. Atomic mass. Before going to discuss atomic mass, take a daily life example for the clarification of atomic mass. Atomic mass are also considered as the relative atomic mass. Suppose take a daily life example. Suppose take two students or two managers. Take two men. One name of one man is your Ram. Name of other man is your Lakshman. The weight of Ram is your 150 kilogram. Weight of Lakshman is your 50 kilogram. Suppose a question will ask you how many times Ram is heavier than Lakshman. Then how can you find out the number of times? Number of times Ram is heavier than Lakshman. You can find out like this: weight of Ram divided by weight of Lakshman. That means 150 kilogram divided by 50 kilogram, that is your 3. So we can write the weight of Ram is 3 times heavier than weight of Lakshman. It is comparable weight. 3 times is the comparable weight of Ram. Like that, we think about the weight of an atom. It is very difficult to measure the weight of an atom. Generally, we know that the weight of any body is calculated by the help of weight machine. Generally calculated by the help of weight machine. But the weight machine is not able to calculate the very small weight of atom. For this purpose, modern science used spectroscopy, mass spectrometer. By the help of mass spectrometer, it is very easy to calculate the mass of an atom. We know that till now 180 elements are available. By the help of mass spectrometer, we can able to calculate the mass of an atom of each element. Experimentally, it is seen that the weight of an oxygen atom is 2.656 into 10 to the minus 20 kg. Very small. And weight of an carbon atom is your 1.9923 into 10 to the minus 23 gram. It is very difficult to remember, very difficult to write many problems by the weight because it is a very small value. So we need a comparable, that is a relative atomic mass. Suppose a question will ask you how many times an oxygen atom weight of how many times the weight of an oxygen atom is heavier than weight of an carbon atom. Then what we will do? What will you do? That is the weight of an oxygen atom divided by weight of a carbon atom. It is our general calculation, like the weight of Ram and Lakshman. General weight of the Ram divided by weight of the Lakshman. But in chemistry, we can calculate such type of comparable weight in terms of atomic mass or relative atomic mass. How many times the weight of oxygen? It is represented as the atomic mass of oxygen, and slightly changes in this formula. 1/12 is multiplied with the weight of a carbon atom, and there are many isotopes of carbon are present. We generally use the C12 isotope atom. That is the atomic mass of oxygen equal to weight of an oxygen atom divided by 1/12 into weight of a carbon atom. If we compare, if I will find out the atomic mass of oxygen, then we take the weight of oxygen. Similarly, if you want to calculate the atomic mass of nitrogen, then obviously we take weight of an atom of weight of a nitrogen atom. This is your fixed. In chemistry, to calculate such type of relative atomic mass, we fix this 1/12 into weight of an C12 atom. Suppose if you want to find out atomic mass of chlorine, like that, we can write the formula weight of an chlorine atom divided by 1/12 into weight of an C12 atom. If you want to find out the atomic mass of hydrogen, just like changes this. So finally, we can calculate the atomic mass of every atom instead of the exact atomic mass. Suppose if I will ask you what weight of an oxygen atom, means it clearly indicates that one oxygen atom, and that is your 2.656 gram. Suppose if I will ask you atomic mass of oxygen, means that is your relatively atomic mass, that is your 16 AU. This is the comparative term. Okay, then tell me what is the definition of atomic mass? What is the definition of atomic mass? Atomic mass or relative atomic mass is defined as the atomic mass or relative atomic mass is defined as the number of times an atom of an element is heavier than 1/12 of mass of an C12 atom. That is the definition. Mathematically, we can retain atomic mass of an atom equal to mass of that atom, atomic mass of an atom equal to mass of that atom divided by 1/12 into mass of an C12 isotope atom. isotope atom. That is the formula. Now find out the atomic mass of oxygen. Let's take an example. Atomic mass, that is shortly represented as m. In ODI it is said to be paramagnetic vastuka. M of oxygen equal to mass of an atom of oxygen divided by 1/12 into mass of an atom of oxygen. Already we know that by the help of spectrometer, mass of an atom of oxygen is 2.656 into 10⁻23 gram, and 1/12 into mass of an atom of oxygen means 1.923 into 10⁻23. This is the calculation for determination of atomic mass of oxygen. By solving this, we find out 15.972, or it is simply written as 16 AMU. What is the meaning of AMU? AMU, or you can write AMU or 16 AMU. AMU, what is the full form of AMU? AMU means atomic mass unit. U means unified mass. Clear? 16 AMU means what do you think about the value 16? That means 16 AMU means mass of an atom of oxygen is 16 times heavier than mass of an atom of C12. You can write from this value, you can write one sentence: mass of an atom of oxygen is 16 times heavier than mass of an atom of C12. 16 times heavier than mass of 16 times heavier than 1/12 of mass of C12. Isotope atom. Clear? Similarly, we can find out the atomic mass of nitrogen. Atomic mass of nitrogen means mass of an atom of nitrogen divided by 1/12 into mass of an atom of C12. By putting the value of mass of an atom of nitrogen, mass of an atom carbon, we calculate and find out the protein. It is already remembered to us. Similarly, atomic mass of chlorine, the mass of an atom of chlorine, and divided by 1/12 mass of an atom of C2. Similarly, atomic mass of hydrogen, the mass of an atom of hydrogen, divided by 1/12 mass of an atom of C2, and find out 1.008 which consider as 1. Like that, we find out all the atomic mass of every elements. Clear? If you generally think one point, then finally you can conclude that suppose if you consider about the atomic mass of oxygen, atomic mass of oxygen means what? Weight of an oxygen atom, divided by what? Divided by 1/12 into weight of the C12 atom. Yes or no? Weight of an C12 atom. Clear? Suppose I will ask you weight of an oxygen atom, weight of equal to what? A atomic mass of oxygen into what? 1 by 12 into weight of NC12 isotope atom. Yes or no? We know that atomic mass of oxygen is 16 m. Yes or no? 16 m. And we can multiply 1 by 12 into 1.923 gram. Yes or no? Now atomic mass of oxygen is a number, so we can write m here. That means 16 into 1 by 12 into 1.9923 gram. That means it comes to 2.656 gram. Here atomic mass of oxygen is what? Atomic mass of oxygen is what? 16 a. That means instead of a we write this. That means 1 a is equal to, we can write 1 by 12 into 1.9923 gram. That is your point of, sorry, one mistake is here, into 10 to the minus 23 gram. That means we write 10 to the minus 23 gram. Finally it is found that 1.66 into 10 to the minus 24 gram. 1 a means 1.66 into 10 to the minus 24 gram. If you want to, sometimes question will ask you 1 a is equal to this. So we can write 1.66 into 10 to the minus 24 gram. Sometimes also question will ask what is a mu? What is a mu? Let me discuss about what is a mu. Instead of a mu, we put this value. We put this value. Instead of a mu, we put this value. Yes or no? That is what? A 1 a mu is equal to 1 by 12 into, that is the weight of carbon atom. Weight of 1 carbon 1 C12 atom. Yes or no? That means we can define 1 AU is the amount of substance, which is equal to the 1 by 12 of what? 1 by 12 of weight of an carbon atom. In number we get 1 a is equal to 1.6 in the number. In derivation we can define like this. Suppose I want to find out the atomic mass of carbon, atomic mass of C12. So what I will write? Weight of an atom of C12 divided by 1 by 12 into weight of an atom of C12. Yes or no? That means 1.9923 into 10 to the minus 23 gram. That is the weight of an atom of C12 divided by 1 by 12 into 1.9923 into 10 to the minus 23 gram. That is your what? Now deleted this. That means 12 a. We can write 12 a. That means from this it is concluded that the atomic mass of carbon is taken as exactly 12. Therefore, we can write the atomic mass of carbon is exactly taken as 12. And we can also write another point. The actual mass of an atom is weight of an atom. The actual mass of an atom equal to 1.6 into minus 24 into atomic mass in a, already we discussed about for oxygen atom actual mass of or the actual mass of oxygen atom, or we can write weight of an atom of oxygen equal to what? 1.66 into 10 to the minus 24. Already discussed about this into 16. Here 2.656 into 10 to the minus 23. Yes or no? If you want to discuss clearly about the atomic mass, then find out a good point. What is the good point? Suppose a question will ask, weight of an atom of oxygen is your what? 2.656 into 10 to the minus 23 gram. Suppose a question will ask, what is the atomic mass of oxygen? Then we can write 16 AU. Then another question will ask, suppose what is the gram atomic mass of oxygen? Gram atomic mass of oxygen. Then we can write 16 gram. We can write 16 gram. What is the meaning of atomic mass and gram atomic mass? Just delete the m and add the gm. That means gram atomic mass can be found out by removing the mu atomic mass units. When the atomic mass expressed in gram is called gram atomic mass. Yes or no? Suppose what is the atomic mass of nitrogen? What is the atomic mass of nitrogen? That is 14. If you question will ask, what is the gram atomic mass of nitrogen? Gram atomic mass of nitrogen. Then just change the A. That is your 14 gram. Gram atomic mass is top. Can be otherwise called. There is other name. There is your gram atom. So we can write gram atomic mass or gram atom of nitrogen atom is equal to 14 gram. That is only 1 gram atomic mass of nitrogen atom. Whether you can write the word atom or not, because here is atomic mass, that means it must be an atom. Atomic mass is related to atom, so there is no necessity to write the word atom or not. Is your choice. 1 gram atomic mass of nitrogen atom is equal to 14 gram. Is equal to what? 14 gram. 2 gram atomic mass, or we can write 2 gram atom of nitrogen atom is equal to how much? 14 gram. 14 into 2, that is your 20 gram. That means suppose a question will ask you 3 gram atomic. Suppose a question will ask you 3 gram atomic mass or 3 gram atom. It is only one atom. Remember, it is only one atom. 3 gram atom of nitrogen atom means 3 into 14. That is your 42 gram. Yes or no? 42 gram. Yes or no? Remember, before few moments, I already told you that whether the atom word is used or not, because there is another word, that is atomic mass. atomic mass means it must be an atom. It is this word is you can use or your choice you cannot use. Suppose if I omitted this word in English, what happens? Nitrogen atom in English, nitrogen atom, or we can written as atom of nitrogen. One meaning in English. But remember, don't think that atom of nitrogen, this word is connected to this, and it is a single word, and it is written the other name of gram atomic mass. Don't think that atom of nitrogen means nitrogen atom. This is the defect of your English. So we can think atom, this word is only used for with this, and it is indicated as the other name of gram atomic mass. Don't think that whether it is used or atom or not. You can write atom in many books. The word is also omitted. So don't think that this is the this word is not used for this. Clear? So we can think that 1 gram atom of oxygen is not equal to 1 gram of oxygen atom. Clear? 1 gram of atom. Listen, remember, look at the sentence. This is the same type of sentence. Oxygen atom, atom of oxygen. But this word is used for this, so we can write this. And this is the meaning of gram atomic mass. So it is equal to 16 gram of oxygen atom. 16 gram of oxygen atom cannot be equal to 1 gram of oxygen atom. So try to understand, 1 gram atom of oxygen is not equal to 1 gram of oxygen atom. 1 gram of oxygen atom means 16 gram of oxygen atom. 2 gram of atom of oxygen means 2 into 16, that is 32 gram of oxygen atom. Similarly, 3 gram atom of oxygen means 3 into 16 gram of oxygen atom. Clear? This is all about your atomic mass. We know that every atom has atomic mass. For example, hydrogen have atomic mass is 1.008. Next is your helium. Helium have atomic mass is 4A. Hydrogen. Next is your lithium have atomic mass 7A. All these values are related to 1/12 into weight of an atom